Jibba, Michaela Johnson, and today we are going to be making some slime. Sorry, I need to take my shoes off. And so I hope you guys are ready for some slime. And it's not going to be that long, so it's going to be fast. So let's get started. So mine's going to be a jiggly Play-Doh slime. I'm going to use some scissors. Enough for me now. So fill half up of your bottle. So you have to fill half of my bottle because, and you can be cold or hot. So I just did cold and I did half of your bottle. Then shake it all up together. You're gonna do half. You can use a little bit salt. And pour all of it. And that's all of it. I got this off a commercial, so don't be mad at me and be like, Kayla, what are you doing? Yeah, I got it. A commercial. So don't be mad at me, please don't. So now we go add use my spoon and add how much baby oil. Then you're gonna pour it all in. You're gonna mix it all up together. That. Okay, I didn't get the baby oil in, but I want to try it. The baby oil because there might be something new that you don't know. So yeah, we have jiggly with baby oil. So now the next thing is the lotion. The color I'm going to use is pink because I don't really have much. I'll just get this all together. Okay, just 2 pumps lotion, and that's all for me. Did you guys see that flying lotion go everywhere? So now we're gonna mix it all together. Jesus, I'm making a big mess. Sometimes we make messes. Sometimes we don't really clean the messes up. So yeah, now let's just mix it all together, nice and slowly, and then you're gonna add some dye, and I'm gonna add pink. So we're gonna add a little bit of pink dye. And that's only one pink dye. So I don't feel like no other ones, guys. This is the only slime that I have left now. Is this one? It's just pink dye. Okay, now that's mixed up really well. And I'm gonna try to use this salt. I'm actually not, because I'm gonna use a whole and I'm not gonna use that. But you guys can, it works good a little bit. So I'm just not gonna use it because it would be a waste of salt if it doesn't work. So yeah. So this is working really well. Yeah? Asia? Dad said turn the heat up on 75. Sorry guys. Just like trying to do stuff. And a little bit of outside. Okay, we're going to put this heat on 75. So now we're gonna just get this started. Just keeping it up. Oh yeah, now this is all the way finished. You can keep mixing it if you want to activate it, but this is all the way finished. So yeah, this is like okay. Have you guys ever had slime before? Like this kind of slime? Just please check it out. Because it is fun type of slime. This is my first time making it, so yeah. Ooh, this smells like a pretty cool one. So I'm gonna grab my Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh one. Worst slime ever that I ever had. Really bad. Like, what the heck? Well, someone lied to me because they said this slime would be really well, and what happened to my slime? I wish this would work, but I haven't ever had a slime like this. Look. Scooby. I don't know how I can change this up, but like fix the slime with like Scooby. This slime is like really Scooby. Weird and nasty. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can fix this slime on another video, but just comment down below if you guys know what to do with this slime. So like, ew, sticky and gooey. Let's put that back in there, see if we could do anything else with it. Activator there. We'll put some activator in our hands. Mix it all together with this slime. It's like nasty, sticky, hot. I haven't had a slime like this, so don't make fun of me. Please just tell me what to do with this. I haven't had a slime like this, and it's like nasty, so I'm gonna throw it away or keep it dry. Just so even my cousins tell me how to fix this. This stuff is like nasty. Come on. So nasty. Like, ew. Looks like brain. Ew. Peace out, you guys. This is like just disgusting. Like, look what happened to my hands. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to be good at making slime. Like, I don't even know what happened, so like, ew. Yeah, I want to keep adding activator and see what's gonna happen. But if it doesn't, comment down below, say how fix this. It's like nasty. There's no other way for me to fix this. So give you guys a good look. So like, look at this. Like, ew, I'm not even trying to get it on my table. It's so nasty. Look at my fingers. Look what it did to my fingers. Ew, okay. I'm gonna just try to clean this off. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm just gonna like see what I can do with this. Do something with it. So yeah, so bye.